Hi there, I'm Darren Wheatley from Foreverland. Today we're looking into the exciting world of gaming to see how a decentralized gaming app would work. Let's get to it. I really want to find some good games to add to the Foreverland hosting platform, so we need to use HTML5 and JavaScript in our search criteria. As you can see, there's quite a lot. HexGL is the first one I want to use. Let's have a look at the video to see what it looks like. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Let's try and get this one working. And here's the code. That's what we need. In a previous episode, we used download zip to get the code, but today we're going to use a different method, which is the Git tools. I'm using Ubuntu on Windows 10. You can use any environment that will allow you to use the Git tools. To get the code, I just use git, clone, and then the source repository name. I'm going to put it in the temp directory for now. So now I have the code in the temp directory. What I'm going to do now is go to my GitHub and create a new repository. Then I'll clone from there and copy the files over. It's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know a better way, please put it in the comments. So now I'm going to clone that repo into my environment. Great. We have the repo in the temp directory and it's got its own Git folder, but we want to get rid of that and use our own. So first let's delete that Git. Now let's copy all the files to this directory. Now we open this directory in VS Code and push those changes to live. After my git push, those files should be uploaded now. If you want to make any changes, you can now do that in your environment and push them to this repo. Once you're finished, push them to the Foreverland hosting platform. Let's see how to do that. Now that we can see our HexGL repo, let's select it. Let's deploy. It's done. This is our website here, but we can put a different domain on it later. Today we found an awesome game called HexGL, which looks amazing. We downloaded it into my local environment and then pushed it back up into my GitHub. From there we pushed it over to Foreverland hosting, and now it's a distributed game. The link for it is in the description if you want to play. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like and subscribe if you want to see more. If you have a comment or suggestion, please leave it below. See you next time.